Hello everyone, my name is Mark, I'm your driver, this is a voiceover, and today we're going to be taking a mostly silent drive in this 2023 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. You'd be surprised at how difficult these are to get a hold of, so all the credit for this video goes to Ramsn at North London Toyota, and he did not disappoint. This is a limited with E all-wheel drive, it's got such a nice spec, blueprint blue, and a wonderful glazed caramel leather interior. I'll let you have a listen to some of the material quality, I'll drop in some B-roll for the specs, and then we'll go for a drive, listen to the NVH, and listen to the sounds under the hood. Enjoy. I have to say the turning radius is really impressive for a vehicle this size. It just pivots around itself. Honestly, who needs four-wheel steering? It's crazy. It just works so well. It is much more instantaneous for kickdown when you do put it in gear. When it's having to divert battery power to start the engine in addition to driving MG2. That's where sometimes the kickdown can be a little bit on the slow side. I mean, it's not slow by any stretch of the imagination, it's just that it's having to divert power from moving the vehicle to starting the engine and then moving the vehicle. So it's just an extra step that the electrical system has to handle, and it's just faster without it. God, the braking system is genuinely excellent in this. It basically limo stops for you. It just, oh man, I haven't experienced that before. The Regen calibration is probably the best of the Toyota hybrids I've driven so far. Maybe it's just that it's a heavier vehicle and it's able to kind of manage the momentum a little bit better, but man, this thing comes to a smooth stop. right, I think we are just about ready to wrap up here. I do want to give a huge thank you to North London Toyota for lending out this Highlander hybrid for me to drive and get a feel for, and a huge thank you to Ramsn, the used car specialist here at North London Toyota, for just making this possible, for being super helpful, super quick with his responses. So if you do need a pre-owned or used Toyota or any of the other cars they have on the lot, definitely get in contact with Ramsn. He will get you set up nicely, and this dealership has just been very pleasant to work with. I've contacted a lot of Toyota dealerships to try to get this video done, and the moment that I bring up filming, they ghost me, or the vehicle mysteriously sells right before my test drive is scheduled. So big thank you for not doing that, Toyota of North London. Thank you for being so helpful, super kind, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to make a video with this Highlander, which I have quite enjoyed. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the POV sounds of the eCVT in this Highlander hybrid. I really like this interior color. I like all the details, and to be honest, more of it is soft than I expected. This is soft. The dashboard is soft, the upper dash is soft, even these bits on the side right here are soft, this is soft. The only bits that get a little bit scratchy and nasty, in my opinion, are the door cards, where they do kind of have a lot of negative space, where a lot of plastic lives. But the top of the door card is soft, which I did not expect, and there is tons of space to put things. You've got a spot for your wireless charger, your phone, and a very cool sliding center console, which, again, I did not expect. So you've got all your drive modes, everything there. The only thing I would say is that it does kind of struggle to put its power down because it is so front biased, and this is a bit of a heavy vehicle, so when the front lifts up, it's very difficult for it to put traction to the ground. But overall, I quite like this. It's a solid family commuter, and if we look at our fuel economy for the drive, it was 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers, with a little bit of spirited driving, plenty of traffic, and some higher speeds where hybrids don't traditionally do quite as well. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.